Hi, I'm Jack Gaynor. Back there is Zack Koons. Behind the camera is Starobin, and that's our captain, Will Miles. We're out here on the Pohick Bay. We're gonna be fishing for some invasive species. More specifically, the blue catfish. That's pretty neat.
So we're out here today, we're trying to catch some invasive species. So an invasive species is a species that isn't native to the area and is normally introduced by humans or by some other kind of process. These invasive species, they swim around, they eat some fish, and they mess up the whole food chain. And when you do that, that's just not good. That's not pretty neat. But it's also a known fact that fish love airports. And I think that's pretty neat, so we're gonna go do some fishing.
So basically, we're at our first location under the bridge leading to National Harbor, and we've got 4 reels in the water, and we're using gizzard shad right there as the bait. So now we just wait for our fish. We've hooked the motor. Catfish.
There we go.
That's blue cat.
Is that invasive? Woo! That's neat!
Here we are under the bridge. We're catching the small school of the ones that are probably close to spawning. These are a little small for spawning size, but they're in here really thick. We caught both of these literally in a 30-second window. We got 2. We're gonna keep fishing.
The blue catfish is usually native to the Mississippi River. However, this is the Potomac River.
They're not supposed to be here.
That's pretty neat.
We got another blue catfish here, the invasive species of the Potomac that we're talking about today. It's about 20 pounds to about 50 pounds right here. And so these will normally feed on some mussels that are in the Potomac, which keeps them alive, but this also disrupts the food chain a lot. So it really causes a problem for the Potomac, but this is pretty neat.
Fishing at location 2. We are right above a shipwreck. You know, I think this was Captain Jack Sparrow's ship at one point. You know, it's a beautiful day out here on the Potomac River.
I'm holding a rod. This is a pretty nice rod. It's probably like $400, $500. We're fishing at about 60 feet down. That's Fort Washington over there. I hope we catch a fish. That'd be pretty sweet.
He is fighting though.
You want it?
Reach, good reach.
There we go. We're out here just outside of Fort Washington. A little 5-pound blue. Let's hope to keep it going. This is our third spot of the day. We didn't catch any over the wreck. The tide was rolling in too strong. We couldn't stay positioned over it. 2 baits over it, but here we go. Keep it going. Another blue cat. This one's looks like it's been attacked a little bit. It's got some bad scratches along its back. I'm not sure what would be eating these things. They're pretty big. That's one of their main issues, is that they're the apex predator of
down the Potomac River, we encountered another problem. There's a lot of pollution. Now, we think that some of that can be caused from fertilizer runoff from local farms that has phosphorus within it, which is bad for the fish. That is not neat. Also, this river runs through densely populated areas like National Harbor, Alexandria, and Washington, D.C. That can produce pollution like plastic bottles and stuff like that. That is also not neat.
A lot of this pollution can also come from natural sources, such as sediments. There are often very many logs, tree branches that fall into the water that help contribute to the sediment and the phosphorus that is in the water. Because of this, the Potomac River often gets a C or D rating when it comes to pollution, which is definitely not neat. All right, we're here just right around the Port Belvoir Officers Club. We're out here at our last location for fishing. As you can see here, the water is increasingly polluted near the shoreline and also closer to larger density of people. We also have to be careful now. It's getting a little bit hot outside, so the sun's really beating down. Got a lot of UV radiation coming in from the sun's rays. So we have to be careful not only from the sun's rays directly, but also from the water that reflects and has a very high albedo. So it reflects those sun rays right onto our skin.